You dizzy?
Oh.
Did you stub your toe?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
You stepped on the pig.
You stepped on the pig.
Yeah. Yeah, that.
That was, yeah, you stepped right on it.
Yeah.
Boom.
No. No.
Night night. You gonna lay down? Aw, that's nice. Well, you're laying on the blanket. That's the wrong way.
Yeah.
Oh, is it hot? Oh, it's hot. Don't touch. Yeah, it's hot. You want to put it back in the bag?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, roll it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Night night. Oh, where's Quinn? There he is. Oh, that's nice.